So, you are just starting out with FL Studio Mobile and want to learn how to sidechain. Well, I've got you covered. Hi, my name is Zowex and this is Quick Tutorials with Zowex. Okay, so if you're not a starter, already know how to sidechain, good for you. But why are you watching this video? There are many ways to sidechain. Actually, well, not many, just 2 ways. So let me grab my headphones and explain to you how to sidechain in FL Studio Mobile. So we have this chord progression and it sounds like this, right? Okay, so if you want to sidechain, you just go to this effect bar and tap on Autoduck. What this does is it automatically makes an automation, kind of a volume automation, and just ducks the volume up and down. So then it sounds like this. This is what I used to do a lot back in the day when I started. But now I don't really use that anymore to sidechain. What I do is I make an effect track and then get a leveler, automate the leveler, and make the pattern myself. So now that I've made the pattern, just gonna make sure it covers everything. And what I'm gonna do is I'm linking the piano through the output to this effect channel, and listen what I did. For me, it just sounds more clean. It sounds cleaner. You can do literally everything with it. Of course, this is also not bad, the Autoduck function, but for me, this works fine. If it works for you, fine. I'm not gonna judge you for that. But this is, for me, the best way to sidechain. And also, if you're just doing something on another BPM, like 150 maybe, then you can just change everything. This is how you sidechain in FL Studio Mobile. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. That would make me very happy. Click on one of these 2 videos, you know, or on my head with the subscribe button or something. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.